come to the front door, make a left, and then we go into a bathroom where we can walk in. It looks like the toilet's like right here, right by the sink that's along this wall. It's interesting. Very bright inside. Sink right there. A little bit under. It looks like we have a big shower. It's got to step up. We can come in and look at some of the amenities. It is that brand. Now let's get into the room. Coming into the closet, I was surprised. You got some robes and stuff in there. That's cool. Umbrella. Then we come and look at this, all this space. We can just walk right in, I'm walking some more. I'm still in the room. Walk some more. Look at all these space for activities, y'all. Got 2 beds in this joint, 2 big beds for real. This is our TV spot. I'm not sure if this is a sleeping couch. If it is, it's like this room sleeps a lot. Let's see. Yeah, that's a bed too. Ooh, you can have 2, 4, 5, 6 people in this room, y'all. It's crazy. Okay, Lowe's. See that restaurant up there? Look some more. Yeah. We out here.